Hello friends, I am Dr. Uday Mahale, your e-dentist and root canal specialist. I am back with the new topic. Is it really important to take care of your teeth? Though the subject of this video is not very scientific, it is certainly a topic which needs introspection. Rather than answering the question of today's topic in straightforward manner, I share with you the experiences of the patients I have seen so far. Then it is up to you to decide what is right and what is wrong. One should not expect that laymen would share similar attitude towards the dental treatment as that of any dental expert. If you follow experts' advice, life will be easy. But unfortunately, human psychology is such that he wants to learn from his own mistakes rather than someone else's advice. Of course, learning from someone else's experience is far better than stumbling upon our own mistakes. In this video, I will share few patients' experiences and I hope you will set right approach after knowing others' experiences. Among the patients I have seen so far, the most important factor which decides the approach towards the dental care is the age of the patient. My experience tells me that the patient gets older, they realize the importance of the teeth and become more aware about their dental health. Once I have seen a video interview of a nurse working in ICU. She was explaining about the list of the things a man repents when he stands at the door of death. The first two things were he or she did not travel enough to see the beautiful world and regretted working in an unsatisfactory business or a job. But thirdly, most of the patients regretted that they didn't pay enough attention towards the dental health on the right time. I have seen many patients are maintaining dental health out of fear of toothache. That's a good thing in a way, but I think one should be more concerned about what his or her lifestyle would be when he or she doesn't have teeth, rather than just a toothache. We had seen in a previous video that if the teeth are not cleaned on time, the teeth get carious. If teeth are not restored with the filling on time, root canal has to be done. If root canal is not done on time, the tooth will have to be removed. And if we keep on removing such teeth, you will not be able to put fixed artificial teeth. At present, when we are blessed with healthy teeth, it is impossible to imagine what would we feel when we lose all our teeth. Certainly, we don't want to learn dental lesson at the expense of valuable lifetime. As it is rightly said that lost time can never be bought. Let me show you a photo to demonstrate how some serious things are taken very casually or lightly by some people. I want you to guess what would be the chief complaint of the person in this photo when he come to the dental hospital. Let me tell you, this is a kind of a tumor of a jaw. You will be amused to hear that this person had only one complaint. Doctor, I cannot turn my neck. As you can see in the picture, he had this huge swelling which was obstructing his neck against his shoulder. This was a rare case. Let me tell you an example which was experienced on a regular basis. A guest came to see a girl considering a marriage proposal. Everything went well, but at the end, the boy refused the proposal because girl's teeth were proclaimed. When this happened repeatedly, the girl's parents come to dental clinic to get her teeth well aligned. Unfortunately, at such times, what parents or other people think becomes more important than what girl wants. It will take at least a year and a half to straighten her teeth with the braces treatment. After a year and a half of waiting, age is increasing, good marriage proposals are getting missed. All these thoughts give parents tremendous stress. Another example to quote is a patient comes to OPD with the front teeth completely discolored or black, adjacent tooth missing, a tooth shifted from its original position. The lower teeth were in crossbite, in short, the complicated teeth alignment. Since last 20 years, the situation has become more and more complicated because of the negligence. The patient wanted these teeth to be treated and look aesthetically pleasing. It would ideally take at least a year and a half to fix all this. After explaining the proper treatment plan, the patient tells me that, "Doctor, today is Monday and I am getting married on this Thursday. I want result before that." It takes a lot of expertise to solve such challenging cases. Many people believe that there is no toothache, it means teeth are completely fine. We'll get treatment done once there is a toothache. We do not give importance to dental treatment until and unless there is a tooth pain. It's but natural. But one thing which is important to know is that toothache is just one of the many factors. Even if the pain has stopped temporarily, it is very important to remove the infection or a decay inside the tooth. Otherwise, what would happen? I will tell you as per my collective experience. Many patients have dental problems but with less or no pain, and the pain of such toothache increases when you are out of town, when you are on the foreign tour, when there is important exam, when there is important ceremony at home. Although there is no scientific reason for this, it is coincidence that I have always experienced. Considering all this, it's my friendly advice that before the situation compels you to realize the importance of dental treatment, it is better to understand the given situation and importance of dental care. I would love to read your dental experiences in comment section, and I'll try to give advices at my best. And yes, to get such basic, simple but very important information about the dental care, don't forget to subscribe our channel Mahale's Dental Clinic. I will take a leave for now. Take care. Thank you.